Hey guys, I am actually changing my outfit as a mom. Okay then. Okay, start. We'll play. Okay, start. We'll play. Sophia. Yeah. Sophia. Sophia. Huh? Seriously. Huh? Huh? Okay guys, me and my daughter just went home from this ask my daughter. Honey Pat. We're going to Honey Pack. We're going to camping. Honey Pack, we're going to camping. Ew. Okay. Okay. Just changing my hair, you know. Okay, I got on my back, so I'm going to get my makeup. Ooh, so now I'm gonna color my hair. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Just kidding. JK. Okay, I'm gonna change my clothes, Barbie. That is. Emmy, I'm done. Emmy, I'm done. Emmy. Emmy. Where is she? Emmy, Emmy, Emmy. Wait, I'm gonna see if she's in this server. Why she leave? She didn't tell me to leave. Okay, guys. So now I'm just going to my field trip and let me help about that. Oh, okay, let's see some creepy song. Oh man, there's no song. Oh yeah, sorry. Please exit weekend. Am I going the wrong way? Oops, sorry. Okay guys, we're going. Here, almost here. Okay, we finally packed now. I'm so happy. Then back here. So now I'm gonna get change. And then get my ribbon out. Now just my pajamas. There. Okay then. Huh? What's this sound? Oh no, I better get out of this field trip. This field trip is the worst. Oh my god. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe.